Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add alt image to a text on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load, and then you're going to be right here. Once here, just go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections right here, and in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. This is basically going to be the Wix editor. So just wait for it to load. So right now, the first thing that you need to do, guys, is add your image. So right now, I'm going to click on add element and then click on add image. And then I'm going to upload an image from my computer. So right now, I'm going to click on upload from computer and then choose an image from my computer. So I'm going to choose this image for example. And as you can see, guys, now it's loading. Once it has loaded, just click on add to page. And then once added, you can click on these settings icon right here. And then right here, as you can see, guys, just scroll a little bit down. And then here you're going to find what's in the image. So right now you can add a description for the image. For example, I'm going to type 3 katanas. And then just you can quit this menu right here and your changes will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.